United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, part of Rostec, has handed over a number of new Su-30SM2 aircraft to the Russian Ministry of Defense. Rostec in a press release stated that the new multifunctional jet was manufactured by UAC at the Irkutsk aircraft factory. Today we handed over a batch of new modernized Su-30SM2 fighter aircraft to the Russian Defense Ministry. This type of aircraft has proven its high efficiency over many years of operation and is of great importance for the defense capabilities of our country, said Vladimir Artyakov, Deputy General Director of Rostec. The new Su-30SM2 has an improved avionics system, which has increased the range of detection and identification of air targets. In addition, the Su-30SM2 has new high-precision means of hitting targets on land, water and air. At the same time, the guns can be fired from a distance of several hundred kilometers. The Su-30SM2 fighter aircraft is a further development of the aircraft used by the Russian aerospace forces and naval aviation. Previously reported, on June 23, the Russian Defense Ministry had received a number of other combat aircraft, namely the Su-35S.